Do you have a water heater? If you do, you have to flush it every year. It's super easy to do and it takes about 40 minutes. Let me show you how. To do this, you'll need a water hose, and I suggest getting a water hose cap just in case. I'll have the links below. The reason for the flush is to remove any sediments that build up inside of it at the bottom. These sediments can reduce the life and performance of your water heater, costing you big money. Whether you have an electric or gas water heater, follow these steps. For an electric, turn the breaker off. For gas, turn the temperature knob to vacation. Remember what it's set to so you can put it back later. Then turn this knob to pilot. Turn off the cold water going into the tank. It should have some kind of marking to let you know it's the cold. Connect the water hose to the valve at the bottom of the water heater. Have the other end of the hose go into a drain or run it outside of the house. If you want to see how much sediments come out of your heater, you can have it drain into a container or a white rag. Open the hot water at one of the sinks in the house. Prefer one at the same floor as the water heater. Now slowly open the valve the hose is connected to. Some valves are different than others. You can have one like this or one that requires a flathead screwdriver to turn. Some you turn all the way, and some like a 360 valve, you only have to turn it a quarter turn. Let it drain. When it's done, turn the cold back on for about 20 seconds. Then turn it off and let it drain again. Do this a couple of times. Do this as much times as it takes for you to see the water come out clear at the end of the hose. When it is clear, turn the cold water off. Close the valve the hose is connected to. Remove the water hose. There'll be water in it, so watch out. Turn the cold water back on to fill the tank. If you see water leaking from the bottom valve that you just took the hose off, you'll have to cap it with that cap. Even if it's not leaking, put the cap on it, but don't tighten it up. It might leak the next time you do this, so at least you'll have it ready for the next time. When the tank is getting filled up, you should hear air coming out of the sink faucet. This is normal. Once you see the water flow is coming out normal from the faucet at the sink, this means the tank is full. Turn the sink hot water off. For electric heaters, turn the breaker back on. For gas, turn the knob from pilot to on, and the other knob back to the temperature it was set to before. Put a reminder sticker on the tank indicating when it was last serviced, and you're done. If this video helped you, help me. Hit that like, bell, and subscribe button for me. And check out my other videos on my channel too. I'm sure you'll find something else helpful to you. Until next time, peace.